the dilemma of poor perspectives, the root cause of poverty, the distorted perspectives of the poor on life, values, and the world are the fundamental reason behind the historical and current status of poverty, contributing to the increasing impoverishment of the poor. While many theoretical scholars eagerly discuss the three perspectives of life, few ponder deeply on how to change the impoverished perspectives of the poor, distorted perspectives of poverty. The poor harbor distorted perspectives, shaping their views on life, values, and the world. These abnormal beliefs directly influence their behavior and decisions, becoming a profound cause of poverty. Fundamental cause of increasing poverty. The dilemma of poor perspectives stands as the fundamental reason for the deepening poverty among them. Poverty transcends mere economic challenges. It becomes a mindset that hinders changing one's destiny. Theorists' empty talk. Despite theorists eloquently discussing life's three perspectives, few are willing to delve into strategies for altering the perspectives of the poor. This superficial theorizing reveals a subtle disregard for the issue of poverty, the urgency of changing perspectives. Faced with the dilemma of poor perspectives, there is an urgent need for strategies capable of changing these beliefs. Otherwise, regardless of economic transformations, the poverty of the poor will persist deeply ingrained.